Tired of subtitles showing up while watching YouTube? Here's how you can turn them off in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Now tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account menu where you can manage all your preferences. Once you're on the account page, look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where all your general YouTube settings are stored. Scroll down through the settings until you find a section called Video and Audio Preferences. Under that, tap on the option labeled Captions. This is where you control subtitle and caption visibility for videos. Inside the Captions menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Show Captions. If it's turned on, YouTube will automatically display subtitles on videos that support them. To turn them off, simply tap the switch once. It should slide to the left and turn grey. From now on, subtitles will no longer appear while you watch videos on YouTube unless you manually enable them during playback. This guide was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to tips.